Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. My name is Akib and here I'm going to show you how you can connect Telegram with Discord. So guys, here we are going to connect these two applications with the help of an automation which will connect Telegram with Discord in such a way that as and when you receive or send any file in a group in Telegram, the same file is going to be delivered on Discord in a server automatically. Okay, so this automation is going to help you a lot in saving your manual efforts and time, and it will also help you to easily engage your audience on both of these applications. Let me show you how. So the flow of this automation is going to look like this. Here, as and when you receive or send a file in a group here in Telegram, the same file, whether it be a video file, a photo, or any other type of document, the same file is going to be delivered and shared with your Discord audience as well automatically. So here you need not to manually copy paste the data between these two applications. So it will surely save a lot of your time and manual efforts. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So anyone can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. Okay. So for this, you can check the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay. So after setting up your account, you can log in again and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Okay. And here guys, you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button like this, and here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So let me fill the name here. So guys, here I have given the name to this workflow as send Telegram files on Discord automatically. Okay, now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created on this page like this. And here you will find these two things first, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards that trigger. As in every use case, the trigger would be receiving or sending of a message on a group in Telegram, and the response or the action towards that trigger would be to send the same message with the same kind of file on Discord as well automatically. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up this trigger here. So first of all, click here on this trigger section, and from this choose app field, choose your trigger application. So our trigger application is Telegram here. Okay, so you can reverse this workflow also, but right now I am starting with Telegram. So here search for Telegram bot, select it, and here in the trigger event you have to select the set webhooks and watch updates option. Okay, select it, then click on connect, and from here you have to select add new connection, and it will ask for this token key. So guys, here you have to follow these few steps, and in these steps you first have to create a bot in Telegram application. Then you have to add that same bot in a group then in which you want to send the messages, and you have to make that bot admin of that group. Okay, so you can read these instructions written here. Let me show you how you can actually do this. So this is my Telegram's dashboard, Telegram web, and this is a group I am managing. The name of the group is my audience. Okay, so this is a demo group I have just created to show you how it is going to work. And guys, from the search bar, search for bot father. So you have to click on this blue ticked bot father icon. Okay, right, and here you have to send a message to this bot. Just click on start. Okay, and to create a new bot, you have to send a message which is slash new bot, this one, send it. Okay, and it will give you a reply which is this: all right, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for a bot. So here you have to give a name to your bot. So let me give the name as, let's say, Discord bot. Let's say this just Discord only. Okay, So it has replied us good. Now let's choose a username for a bot, and it must end in bot. For example, Tetris bot or Tetris underscore bot. So now you have to provide a username to your bot. So let me give the username as Discord underscore one underscore bot. Okay, so this username is already taken. Let me use a different version. Okay, this is also taken. Let me use a different type of name. And here you can see we have created a new bot. It is showing done. Congratulations on your new bot. You can find this bot at this address. This is our bot, Discord underscore 2 underscore bot. And here you will find this access token key, which is the API key. So you just have to copy this key first. Just copy this key. Okay. And come to Pabbly Connect and enter this token key here. Okay. And click on save, and you will be connected with Discord. Okay, sorry, Telegram. So we are connected with Telegram, and you have to remember one more thing, that you have to add this bot, which is this bot, into the group in which you want to send the messages, and you want to make this bot as an admin. Okay, so you can do this with the help of your smartphone very easily. I cannot show you this on my screen, but you can do it. So guys, here you can see I have added this Discord bot in this group, my audience. Okay, and we have made the connection. Now click here on save and send test request here. So guys, it is started showing waiting for the response. Now you have to perform a test submission. This means now I'm going to send a demo message in the group that I have created, and we are going to capture the data of that message here so that we can move it forward to Discord. Okay, so here I am, let's say I am sending a photo or an image here. So I'm saying to my audience that hello people, let me show you my new image. Okay, so I'm just giving you a demo. You can customize the message according to yourself. Okay, and here I'm attaching a photo. So I'm attaching a photo here. Okay, right, this is the photo, and I'm clicking on send, and we have sent a message here. Okay, right. Now let me show you in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this message or not. And here you can see in this response received section, we got the messages data as this. It is showing the group's title, the group's type. Okay, and here you will find the message caption also like this. Okay, and here you will find the file ID as well, which is a file ID that you have attached in the message. Okay, now we want to send the same photo to Discord server. Okay, but right now we have photo in the message, but in the place of photo it can be a video, it can be a file, a kind of PDF file or anything else. Okay, so we have three ways here to send a message. You can send a message or receive a message with a photo, with a video, or with a file. So we are going to create three routes for these three kind of messages here in Pabbly Connect, so that we can properly send the files on Discord or the messages on Discord. Okay, so just click here on this actions tab, and from this choose app field, so choose this router here. You can see this router, select the router. Okay, so router is a feature of by Pabbly. By using this you can create paths according to the conditions. Okay, so we have three conditions right now. One is that when you get a message with a photo, other is with the video, and one more is with a file. So we are going to create three routes here. So let me rename this routes. Let me rename this first route. Let's say we are creating this first route for photo kind of messages. Okay, So I'm typing here photo type message. Okay, right? So just for your understanding, I'm renaming these routes. Okay, this is not a compulsory thing. Now click on this set filter and action steps button, and here you will find a filter, and in this filter I'm going to select a label which I have received here in the first step. So here you can see we have received these labels here, in which we have received this data from the Telegram, and here I have this photo message photo file ID label. So I'm going to use this ID label here in this filter. Let me show you. Click on set filters and action steps, and from this select label option, click on it, and you will find this Telegram bot option in the drop down, and from here only, when you click on it, you will see all the data that you have received in the first step. So from here only, let me map this ID, which is the map this label, which is the file ID label. Map it. Make the filter type is exists. Okay, so this means we are saying to Pabbly Connect that when this label, which is this photo file ID label, if this label exists, then only continue the workflow and send the photo. Okay, so click on save and send test request here, and it's showing the condition is true for now. Okay, now we got this message here in this first step. Let me show you. We got this response here in the first step, in which we got the message, but we did not get the file attached here, which is the photo. Okay, we just got this file ID. So we are going to fetch out the file, the exact file that we have sent in the message, with the help of this file ID only. Let me show you how. Come back to your second step, the router step. Click on set filters and action steps, and we have already created a filter. Now click here on this plus icon, and here you have to connect Telegram again. Search for Telegram in this action step. This is Telegram bot. Okay, select it, and in the action event you have to select now get file option. Let me show you where it is. Here it is, get file. So it will get a file according to the ID that you have received in the first step. So select this, then click on connect. Okay, now you can choose existing connection option, because you have already made a connection in the trigger with Telegram. So now you can just click on select existing connection and just click on save, and you will be connected again with the Telegram like this. Okay, now it is asking file ID. So here I am going to map that ID which I have received in the first step. So just click here, and you will find this Telegram step here, and click on it to map the ID which you got here, this one, right? Map it. Okay, then click on save and send test request, and here in this response you can get this file path, which is this. Okay, now with the help of this file path, I'm going to send a message on Telegram. Okay, let me show you how. So just click here on this plus icon, and now to send the same photo on Telegram with the same message, you have to search for Discord here in this section step. This one is Discord, selected. Okay, and here in the action event you have to select send message option with this markdown option. Send a message to your channel with markdown syntax, select it, then click on connect. Okay, now it is asking for the webhook URL to make the connection. So you have to bring out the webhook URL from your Discord account. You can follow these instructions written here. You can click on this link, and you will get to know the instructions written here. Here you can see it has given us the steps with the help of photos, how you can get a webhook URL from Discord. Let me show you the actual method. So here I am in my Discord server. So in my Discord server, I have this general named text channel, and here I'm going to click on this edit channel icon. Okay, under this edit channel icon, you will find this integrations tab. Click on integrations, and under this you will find this webhooks tab. Click on webhooks, and here you can create a new webhook by clicking on new webhook button. Just click on it, and here you can give a name to this webhook. So I am giving the name as from Telegram. Okay, now click on save changes, right? And then click on copy webhook URL button. Okay, and the webhook is copied. Now come back to your workflow and paste the webhook URL here in this field like this. Okay, now it is asking for the message that you want to send. So here you can map the message that you have received. So just click here and you will get the message from the first step. From this first step you can get the message text in the caption label. Let me show you, this is the caption. Okay, and here now you want to send a photo that you have attached in this message. So to send that photo, you need to create a downloadable link of that photo, and you can create that with the help of this HTTP link. So you can see in the previous step from where you have collected this response in which you got the file path. You can see here it is written the file then can be downloaded via this link. So here you have to copy this link, and before the after this bot here you have to paste the token that you got when you have created the bot in the Telegram, and here you have to map the file path. Let me show you how you can do this. Just copy this whole URL till the file path. Just copy this, come back down to this second step, and here in this message let me paste this link. Okay, and here in this place of token I am going to copy and paste this token that you got from the bot father. So here we have created this bot and we got this API token. Just copy this again. Okay, come back to your message, and here in the place of path let me just, okay, I am going to paste this token, put an angle bracket, and here in this file path just remove this file path here. Okay, now you will get this file path from this second option where in this get file option where you have collected the file path. So when you click here you will find the response here, and from this response you can see this result this is it, result file path. Just map it. Okay, so we are done creating a message here. Okay, so if you want to give a name to this bot, you can give a name as well. So I am giving the name as Telegram bot, let's say. Okay, so this bot is going to deliver a message on Discord. So if you want to give a unique icon to this bot, you can paste a JPG link also. Right now I'm leaving this blank, and if you want that your bot should read out the message aloud to your members, you can make it enable here, text to speech. Right now I'm disabling it, I do not want it. Okay, and you can check the connection with Discord by clicking on save and send test request. And let me show you how your message will look like here. Let me open my text channel. This is my text channel, guys. Okay, and I'm clicking on save and send test request, and let's see. And now let's check in Discord if we got a new message. And here you can see in the general text channel, Telegram bot has delivered this message. This is a new message. You can see, hello people, let me show you my new photo. And we got a link here, which is this link. So let me click on this link and to show you how it is going to look like. And here it is showing description not found. Okay, so I think I have committed a mistake here. Okay, so let me remove these angle brackets from here, and then we will check again. So remove this angle brackets from here. Okay, and let me click on save and send test request again, and we have received a new message. And now you can see the image is attached here in the message. Okay, message only, right? And you can download this image from this link only. Also you can see the file is downloaded here. Okay, you can see the file as well. This is the same file that I have attached in the message. Okay, so our connection is with Discord is working fine and proper, and we have created the first route successfully. Now just click on save here. Okay, and click on done. So we have created a first route successfully. Now I'm going to clone this same route 2 more times for the video purpose and for the file purpose. Okay, so just click on this dots, clone this step. Okay, and then clone it this step again. Okay, and this is the extra route. Let's just delete this route here. Okay, right, and now let me rename this both cloned steps. So the second step, let's say we are creating the second step for video type messages. Okay, I'm updating this second route, and the third route would be for file type messages. So just for your understanding, I am renaming these routes. Click on update. Okay, now the things that you have to change here in these two steps, let me show you. Just click on set filter and action step. So guys, when you capture a video kind of response, Pabbly Connect in this first step will give you a different kind of label here in this response receive section. Right now we have received this label here, which is this file unique ID, and here it is written photo file unique ID. But when you send a video type message, this label is going to change. Okay, so to map the correct label here in this second and the third step, you need to capture the response again. Okay, so just click here on this recapture webhook response in the triggers step. Click on recapture webhook response, click on yes, and it will start showing this waiting for the response again. Now go back to your Telegram group, which is this, and here let me type another demo message for video type messages. So here I'm typing, hello people, check out this video. Okay, so this is just kind of a demo message I am using here, and here we have this MP4 file I am attaching here. Okay, and I'm clicking on send, and we have sent a message. Okay, now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this video kind of message, and here you can see in this response receive section we got the data again, and now you can see the label is changed here guys. In this response receive section you can see now the label is like this here you can see, and here you can see in this label we have this message video file ID. Okay, so now the label is changed. Now you have to map this changed label here in this second route, in this video type messages route, and the message label would be like this. In the filter step you have to select this label from this Telegram option, and that label would be this one, message type video file ID. Okay, then click on save and send test request again, and it will show you the condition is true. Okay, and here in the Telegram get file option you need to map this video file ID again from the Telegram option. You will find the label here which is the video file ID now. Okay, then click on save and send test request, and it will give you a new file path for the video kind of messages, and you will receive the file path here in this result label, result file path, and then you have to map this file path again in this Discord server step. So in this message you just need to change this file path only. You don't have to touch anything else in this link that you have created, and in place of the previous file path you need to change the file path again from this video type message step, map the file path. Okay, and you can check your connection also by clicking on save and send test request here again with your Discord server. So let me click on save and send test request, and let's see how the video message will look like in Discord server. Okay, let me show you the message, and here you can see this is the message we have received on Discord with this video attached here. Okay, so this is the same video we had in this message in Telegram, and the same video we have received here in Discord. Okay, right, so just click on save, and we are done setting up second route also. And for the third route I'm I'm going to repeat the same method. I'm going to recapture the webhook response. Click on recapture, click on yes. Okay, now I'm going to deliver, I'm going to send a file type message here, and I'm putting the message as this: hello people, check out this new file. Okay, and here I'm going to attach a file now. Okay, so this is the file I have. I'm attaching this and I'm clicking on send, and you can see the file is getting sent here, and you can see the message is delivered. Okay, now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this message. And here in this response received section, you can see the label is changed again, and here it is showing message document file ID. Okay, so I'm going to remap this here in this third route. Click on set filters and action steps, and from this filter, now select the label from the Telegram step, which is this. Now the file ID is message document file ID. Click on save and send test request. The condition will be true again, and in the Telegram step, map the file ID again from the Telegram trigger. Map the file ID, which is this. Let me show you. This is the document file ID label. Map it. Okay, click on save and send test request, and now you'll get a new file path for the document type messages in this result label. Now map this file path again here in this message. In place of this photo file path, just map this document file path, which is this. Okay, click on save and send test request, and you will receive a new message with document attached. Let me show you the message. Here you can see we got this message with this file link, PDF link, and from here only you can download the same file like this. Okay, so this is an yoga ebook which we got in Discord, and this the same thing we have attached here and send it on Discord. Okay, you can see same thing was delivered here previously. Okay, so this is how you can do it, guys, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to touch this workflow. After that, as and when you send a message in the group or you receive a message in the group via this bot, the same message is going to be delivered on your Discord server here, like these messages, automatically. And guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start running this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.